Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA TS3750i. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to copy documents from this printer. Stick the document that you want to copy face down. Make sure the document starts from your left side. There is an arrow on the left side. Then close the cover. Then you select black if you want to copy black, or select color if you want to copy color. We want to copy this document black and 2 copies. Then you select this button 1, 2. So you need to press it twice and you see the number will change to 2. So now it's copying. So this is the document. We copy this black 2. If you want to copy it color, then the same thing, you press the color. Depending on how many copies, we want to copy color once and the number change to 1. Then you wait. This is the document we copied, color, A4 paper. So these are ways to copy document. If you change particular paper, for instance, if you are using different paper, what we have here is A4. If you are using different paper, then you need to select this button to change the paper to particular paper you want. You need to press this button. You can see it's changing to various size. This button is for you to change the paper to particular size you want. So keep pressing it, then you look on the screen, it will show you the paper. So this is A4, then you select OK. And once you select the paper, then you press OK. So this is how to copy document from this printer, and also for you to change the paper you are using. Thank you very much indeed.